And in this review, we have these 12-ton heavy-duty jack stands, you guys. This is from Jack Boss. This is crazy insane. Again, 12-ton. Do y'all know how much that is? That is 25,000 pounds of capacity. That's insane. You have wheels that come with it. You have a pulley bar. This is the pin that holds the stand, you guys. This is insane. Look how big that is. Real close to 1 foot. And it has the indent on it. So you see that indent right there? That indent is in case you have one of those unibody flat metal pieces, skinny, that be right under your unibody frame. It will fit right there on your unibody frame. Lift your pin, bring it up, and you have 5 holes to choose from. Sit it there, put it through, you are good to go. Right there. Boom. Quite insane, you guys. So we are going to install the wheels. Put this in, it slides through. We go from there. All right, you guys, we got the wheels on. And also keep in mind that this thing does have weight, but once you have it on the wheels, you are good to go. One last thing we have to do with this before we test it out with the truck is right here. We have the jack extension pole. Give you another extension so you're not breaking your back. So with this, you have this notch right here. What you have to do is go right behind here, zoomed in. So right there, you see your notch, put it in and twist left or right. It's not really a lock, but you just twist it and then it don't move. There is a hole right here. There's a little key right there. What you do is push this in, slide it, and now you have your extension. And you can stand up regular and move your jack. It's not heavy. You can't tell if there's any weight on it. Nice and easy when it comes to rolling. With 30 inches of play, you're not really breaking your back. I'm standing up straight, feel comfortable. Rolling it around. And you can do this so you can put it right under your truck. Nice and easy. These jacks have some weight to it, so you don't want to be carrying these jacks all around in your shop or your garage. It's heavy, all right? So you put it down, twist it, and then take it back off and do what you got to do. Right now, we are going to bring the truck in and do our thing. All right, you guys, and we have it jacked up in the front. And if you just want to work on one side, you could just put it on one side. Of course, if you want to jack up both sides, put the jack on both sides, depending on the height of your garage, okay? So, again, you put your, twist that around, put your handle on, and then you go in where you need to go. Whatever suits your needs on your frame. Just make sure it's on metal, all right? So you got your whole metal chassis right there. Push y'all in. And the cool thing about this, again, we have this indent right here. And that will be perfect to go on the frame right here. Lift it up. And then you fit it into the slot that you need it to go on. And then you drop it down. All right. And now I have the jack where I need it to be. Very nice. It is fully on the jack. 12 tons, 24,000 pounds. Jack is amazing. You can take this out so nobody will trip. That's a trip hazard. Take it out.